So here we have the Wuben E7 and P1 rechargeable headlight. Now, full disclosure, this was sent to me for free, but the opinions in this video are my own. Starting off with the actual light piece, it's a pretty unique design. It's also super compact at about 1 inch by 2 inches. There's 2 LEDs on the front, a belt clip on the back, and a little screw port at the bottom to access the battery. On the top is the power button and the USB-C charger. There's a pocket clip on the back and a magnet on the bottom. And since it's so light, it sticks to metal pretty well. It'd definitely make a great work light. It's also IP68 rated waterproof. Then in this here, there's a springy USB-C charger. Has USB-C on both sides. A short lanyard, and then a couple extra O-ring seals. In the other box is of course the headlight clamp. You can super easily slide the light into the ring here, and then when you hear that click, you know it's locked in place. You can drop it, bump it, or do whatever, and it's not going to fall off. Of course, to get it off, just push this lever, then you can pull it out. Another cool feature on this headband is you can actually rotate it, and it kind of clicks into place. That's really cool. Kind of aim it whichever way you want. Super helpful. There's quite a few different modes on here, so let me just go through all of those. Starting with the first mode, you press the button once and it'll turn it on to whatever brightness setting you had it on last. This is on high, it's about 400 lumens. To cycle through the different brightnesses, you just hold the button down and it'll cycle through them. If you hit the button twice, it'll go on to turbo, which is super bright at about 1800 lumens. Then after about a minute, it'll go down to 800 lumens, and then after another minute, 400. If you hit the button 3 times, it'll go on to strobe, and if you triple tap it again, it'll actually turn on to a Morse code SOS, which I think is a really cool feature. One last feature is if you hit it 4 times, it'll blink a few times and then lock itself. And now when you press the button, it'll just flash blue a few times. And when you want to unlock it, you just hit it 4 times again, and then it turns back on. Like I said before, this is super bright. Here's a comparison of what this looks like on the highest setting and what this other headlamp looks like on its highest setting. It's a little harder to tell on camera, but I can tell you it's way brighter. So yeah, overall, super cool little light. I really like this thing. Works great as a headlamp, general all-purpose light, or a work light. It's just really versatile and has a ton of different uses. So if you want to get someone an awesome present or just need a light for working or camping or just general purpose activities, then this is a great choice.